Retail begins with the people. Each product, every inch, the LEDs, the lights, they are all for the people. Every beat.
And HMY beats to the rhythm of retail. Every single person in our Center of Excellence rows in the same direction. Your projects.
From the first idea to the moment when that client falls in love with your space, we inspire, design, engineer, prototype and manufacture, coordinate, install and provide maintenance.
At the rhythm each brand and retailer needs from us, and all of it is born here, in Spain, HMY's heart. 65,000 square meters of muscle and soul, of machinery and professionals who are able to work any material in record time. Coming up with the best way to make your projects a reality in shape, time frame and budget.
Designing them to reduce its cost and environmental impact. Manufacturing them with the utmost efficiency. The highest quality standards of our industry.
And the care of the purest craftsmanship.
Integrating technology, lighting and visual merchandising to make them shine.
And coordinating their rollout on a global scale, but acting in each country with local teams and knowledge.
Reaching wherever it takes in the most efficient and sustainable way, making sure everything is airtight planned.
Because at HMY Spain, we have but one goal: to create, learn and live retail through our people, installations and showroom.
And that's how people become teams. Ideas become realities. Your projects become shops.
And your brand, experiences. Because that's how retail beats. That's how HMY beats.